Gates open, they're up and racing. Speedmaker draws for your lead. I am strong, racing on the outside. Then running by the rail South Pearl Vergara, running in between runners. Then racing in Peep is entry number 2, Kai Aquino. And trailing the group is Rockefeller. Heading towards the last 800 is Speedmaker in command by about a length and a half. Vergara is in second, racing in third. I am strong. South Pearl is down in fourth, racing in Peep, Kai Aquino, and Rockefeller is still running in behind them as they race at the last 450. Speedmaker, I am strong. Now about to throw the challenge on the outside as they come up to the last 250. I am strong. Now takes command. Running by the rail is Speedmaker. Vergara is in third. With the last 150 more to run. I am strong. Speedmaker, Rockefeller, the stablemate, moving a party outside. And leading the finish line, Rockefeller. From last. Rather. And second, I am strong. Then comes Speedmaker. Number 5, Vergara.